Okay guys, spend the day with me before we go out of town to make our final payment on our land. So just doing a little tidying up, getting all the rooms ready so that when we come home, it will be nice and clean. But I need to get one thing from HomeGoods, and I want you guys to come with me. But I'm not going to spend too much, but we're going to have fun. Okay guys, let's go to HomeGoods. These baskets are cute. They're like pillars. You can put them by like a front door. Stack some books, a plant on top, fluted pillars. Look at this. This is nice and big. I'm kind of over the all white aesthetic, but you could definitely like paint it, make it darker. For a fact, these are very, very, very good. I love honey chocolate covered graham. It's just something sweet for the Airbnb. Before, they're not very good. And stay away from macaroons from TJ Maxx, Ross, HomeGoods. They're not like really authentic. You know what I mean? Oh, but look, they have gin ramen. Everybody loves these. Maybe I'll get this. I'm such a sucker for a mug, but I'm gonna put this back because I don't need any more mugs. Always cute risers. This one is $30. Kind of a lot, but like if you want to elevate like your bowl or your plant or anything, it makes anything look a little more important, you know? Table runners. Cute. If you want to add some color. Really pretty for spring. Renovated 2 bathrooms. Those are the last like big projects I've done. And so that's where kind of pretty much all my rental money has gone to. But I am missing still like a toilet scrubber holder thing for my kids' bathroom. You know, the pink marble powder room. I did see one that was like, oh, like this, but look, how much is it? This is perfect. It's heavy. How much is it though? $20. Oh my gosh, look at that lamp. That's gorgeous. It doesn't really fit my vibe, but I like it. I might be in the hunt for some new bedroom lamps. Mine are kind of period. Mine are like 90s Panther vibes, which is perfect, but sometimes I get a little sick of them too. More of this little style, which I've kind of done for the past year. And it's like I'm always trying to do something different. But sometimes with the flood of social media, you get sick of seeing the same old type of thing, you know? I'm sick of all this stuff yet. So remember I said all my money is going to the land, so I really shouldn't be shopping. Oh, but this is pretty. It's real marble. I love real stone, guys. I like a world theme going. Look at these Swedish dish towels. How much are they? $15. Look, this is from Portugal. Pick up these scrub sponges. They are $5 with texture right there. I really like them. Besides the snacks, you'd be so proud of me. This is the only thing I got, a genuine marble toilet scrubber. Okay guys, we are about to pack. We are going to Boulder Creek. Let me see, I like to use, my closet is a mess. Don't judge. But I like to use this bag for a little vacay. Oh, and I pulled this out. Remember when I used to hand make puffy planners? This was before like puffer things came back. I made this probably like 5 years ago. Is this cute? All you gotta do is punch and add rings, but yeah. It's like just a little memento from the past. But let's get our stuff together. Okay, we're here at the Airbnb in Boulder Creek.
All right, let's get this post and probably black mailbox and some type of numbers. Motherfuckers don't want to leave, you know?
All right. So here we are. Our little mountain property. Guys, we own all the way to the other side of the mountain. Isn't that crazy? Well, 200 feet from the street behind me, 200 feet forward. And I think we did the calculation. That tree right there with the sun on it that I'm pointing to is 100 feet. So then 100 more feet behind it will take you to the other side. But the last person had his house down here. So we have to figure out, because if you see the neighbors, they have a house at the top and then they also built another one behind it. So we could do something similar. See how there's two? There's one and then there's two. We could do something similar. Last time, okay, these trees gotta go. Last time I walked down there and there was a creek. So it's a seasonal creek. Can you guys see it? Seasonal. But it'd be cool if there was a bridge to go across. Because it's like a steep ravine, you know? There's no way to get across that to the other side unless there was a cool little bridge. That would be nice to build like a bridge going across so we could explore the other side of the mountain. It's probably like a $50,000 undertaking. I don't know. UCSC slugs. That's where they get the name because there's a ton of them because it's so moist.